What a beautiful day. Pay this no mind. Okay, so let's start. Deleting this comment. May affect your audio quality. Try closing some applications to improve. I know this will be just quick, so this won't affect the performance. Let's create two elements. The sun first. So sun. Let's use the empty attribute. The sun, the river, and the land. Okay, land. So first is the land. Alright. This is the river, this is the land. Actually, the land is the background itself, so let's let that. The land is actually the body all along. Body, background, this land color. Okay, so we have the land. Next is the river. The color of the river is this one, blue. And then name this river, enclosed with brackets, river, and extend the width to the full area, 400. The height is fine, let's keep it that way. Now move this to the center by position absolute, margin auto, inset 0, and then another. I want to create this river extension using pseudo element. After, maybe we can do that. Right? Let's try. Is this how you create pseudo element?
Good day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wilmington State University Mini Theater. Before we begin today's event, we would like to take a moment to ensure that everyone has an enjoyable experience.
Content.
Please take note of the following reminders. 1.
I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Okay, oh. It's working. It's working. This is the first time I use this in this challenge, but it's working. You just need blank content and properties. That's what you'll need. So let's modify the height and the width. After the content, to the height. The width is the same as the height. Okay. I'm really relieved, that this is working. The color is the same as the river color here on the top. And then push this to the bottom. So let's not use the inset, but top 50.
Good day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wilmington State
Top
University.
left, bottom and right.
Before we begin today's event, we would like to take a moment to ensure that everyone has an
Colon.
Please take note of the
Use a semicolon.
1.
Why is this? Yeah, semicolon after the 50. And if you don't put a metric value here, like pixel, percent, or them, this, if you just put number as a value, it would automatically convert it to pixel as default. The value here is pixel by default, so we don't need to put px. It's just the same as 50. So let's push this to the bottom more, 150. This is
Fifth,
okay.
maintain
Seems
close.
fine to me. And lastly is the sun. So create a pseudo element for that again. Now that we have started using this, I can't get enough. So before, if the river extension is after, then the sun must be before. Before. It's like putting an extension of the river. So the color of the sun is like that color. And then negative. The vertical axis position is negative value. To put this on the opposite side. Let's push this more. Negative 180. 200 maybe. Yeah. Then put border radius. Border radius 50%. Yeah, and submit.
Drinking no food or drinks inside the theater.
100%.
Please take note of the nearest exit. Emergency exits are located at the lower right side of the theater. 5. User of compartment 8. Restrooms are